Hi, I'm going to interview some guys in our classroom, and they don't know they are in hidden camera. Let's move on.
Har du fået tastet?
Ja, det er det.
Du lægger helt lortet på Facebook, altså, mand.
They can't see me at all. I'm going to interview Jeppe. Hello, Anders. How has your day been today?
Not so good.
Not so good.
No. I have beer in the morning.
I'm going to interview Emma. Emma is my secret love. Hi, Emma. Have you had a good day today, Emma? Okay, I have to move on because they don't like me. I'm just gonna copy. So, can you, Emma, can you tell me that you promised me to like this on YouTube?
No.
She said yes on a different language.